So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use Notion for school. I use it for a lot of different things, but in this video, I'm just going to show you for school. So if you don't know what Notion is, it's basically a place where you can store any information or files or type anything you want. When I first started, I was really confused because there's a lot of different options. So in that case, you might want to use these things called templates, and they have different sections. I use mostly in the education section. You can have class notes, grade calculator, and lots of different things. So if you are confused, I think you should use the templates first. Then once you start to get used to it with all the functions and stuff, you can start making your own. Here is my planner, and right here, as you can see, I have all the classes I'm taking this year. So this is a sub page, so when I click on it, so here's my other page, and these are all other sub pages, so it can go on forever. And basically, as you can see here, I have my syllabus, class notes, revision sheets, and review questions. So obviously, you know a syllabus is just a syllabus. Class notes, I took this template from Notion because it's pretty easy. I don't always do class notes, but if I want to, I may. Like, this is just a PDF of my notes, which you will see. Yeah, because I need to take a picture for some reason. But anyway, if you do, you can even take notes on here if you want, like if you like typing notes. But anyway, after that we have these things called revision sheets. So every time after I take notes in class, I make a revision sheet for whatever notes we took. This is basically just like a summary of the information in bullet points. And I only take the important information. This helped me like review what I learned in class that day. If you are stuck on a topic or something and you needed to like watch a video to understand it, you can actually embed that video into here so you can refer back to it. Just type /video and you can embed any video from YouTube. So I think that's really helpful, especially because it's all in one place. Then whenever the teacher's like, okay, we're taking tests on like the scientific method notes or something, then I'll go to review questions from class notes and I'll make flashcards in Notion. The way I do that is using these things called toggles right here. Basically, when you click on this triangle, it'll show you the answer. So I made a question right here, then I made the answer. The way you do this is by typing /toggle, and you can see it right here. Then I can just type then I click on this arrow and I can just type the answer right here. So then I answered the question, then I check if I was right. So yeah, you can even make flashcards on here, which I think is pretty cool. So you may be wondering, where do I like store my homework and when I'm going to do it and organize my day and all that? I use separate apps for that because I don't think Notion is capable enough for that yet. But I'm not an expert on Notion, so it may just be because I don't know everything about it. So yeah. But anyway, let me show you guys the template I made for you. This is the template that the link will be in the description box. And basically you can customize it however you want. You can change the cover and this icon right here, and you can enter your syllabus, any class notes in the table that will pop up soon, yeah, and your revision sheets and review questions. So yeah, if you want to duplicate, because I think you have more than one class that you're taking, then you can click those circle things and then click duplicate. So it's basically the same thing. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please make sure to like and subscribe for more stationery and studying related videos. Thanks for watching.